Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be building this mini modular Lego store. I actually saw this at my Lego store and I said, you know what? I collect Lego. This is awesome to actually have like a little Lego store. It is on the smaller scale, so it might not fit in with your modular buildings, but it would be a great addition to any Lego city. With that being said, I'm really excited to get this thing built. This is set number 40574 and comes with 541 pieces. Let's start building. Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by and coming back each week. If it's your first time here and you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps me. It lets me know that you guys like this content. Here at 610 Bricks, we try to drop something at least once a week, sometimes twice. I hope to see you guys next week. Let's start building.